Every moment of every day, you are actively creating your reality. With every thought, either consciously or subconsciously, you are creating your future. And when you know how to harness the power of the law of attraction in your life, you can direct your thoughts and actions in a way that allows you to effortlessly attract what you want. You may be thinking right now that the law of attraction is real. Many people, when they first hear about this universal law, dismiss it as woo. So if you have doubts about whether it really works, you're certainly not alone. Numerous people who wonder what the law of attraction is and are skeptical about the claims they've heard. And I'm going to tell you what I always tell them. Expect miracles. When you understand how the law of attraction works, you can use it to change your life for the better and create an amazing future. This guide will walk you through the process of using this powerful universal law and show you how to manifest what you want in every area of your life. I'll teach you about the 7 laws of attraction. That's right, there are more than one, and the 3 proven steps to activate it in your life. You'll also learn how to use it for different purposes, such as attracting more wealth or love into your life. Buckle up, because it's going to be an amazing ride. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a universal principle that states you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you give your energy and attention to is what will come back to you. When you focus on the abundance of good things in your life, you will automatically attract more positive things into your life. But if you center yourself on negative thoughts and only focus on what you lack in life, then you will ultimately attract negativity into your life, and what you want most will continue to elude you. Why does the universe use the law of attraction? Simply put, it's because like attracts like. If you are feeling excited, enthusiastic, passionate, happy, joyful, appreciative, or abundant, then you are sending out positive energy to the universe. In turn, that positive energy will attract people, resources, and opportunities that resonate on the same energetic wavelength. This optimism that is effortlessly brought into your path of life will allow you to reach your goals. On the other hand, if you are feeling bored, anxious, stressed out, angry, resentful, or sad, you are sending out negative energy. That negative energy will repel positivity and attract pessimistic people and events into your life, discovering the law of attraction in your life. You have probably noticed the law of attraction in your own life. For example, a person who complains all the time typically attracts friends or followers who also have a bad attitude. Or happy and energetic people will attract other motivated go-getters into their circle. That's the universal law of attraction in action. It's important to note that the universe doesn't care what kind of energetic vibration you send out. It doesn't care if you are a positive or negative person. It simply responds to what you offer. By changing your energetic vibration, you can change the way the universe responds to you. You can manifest particular outcomes in your life simply by creating and leaning into vibrations that align with your desires. But in order to do that, you must become deeply and continuously aware of your energy, thoughts, and feelings, and the 7 different ways in which they shape your reality. The 7 laws of attraction. The law of attraction can be broken down into 7 mini-laws that all affect how the world responds to you and the results you get in life. 1. The law of manifestation. This is what most people think of when they hear the words law of attraction. The law of manifestation states that our thoughts and feelings create our reality, and what we focus on is what we will manifest in our lives. 2. The law of magnetism. The law of magnetism states that everything that has happened in your life, the people, things, and opportunities that have come into your life, as well as the circumstances in which you have found yourself, is a result of the energy you put out into the world. You attract what you are. 3. The law of unwavering desire. Do you truly want the things you believe you want? The law of unwavering desire states that your desire to achieve or attract a certain thing must be strong and unyielding in order for you to manifest it in your life. When your desires are weak and without a rock-solid foundation, they won't be able to attract what you want. 4. The law of delicate balance. The universe is comprised of balance between various forces and elements, and as we are microcosms of the universe, we also crave balance. When the different aspects of your life are in balance, you are able to experience true peace and joy. But in order to achieve balance, appreciation and gratitude are required. 5. The law of harmony. The law of harmony describes the coordinated interplay of forces and elements that comprise the universe. Harmony is the flow of life. When you are in tune with it, everything seems easy, as if you are swimming with the current rather than against it. Tapping into the law of harmony and striving to live harmoniously with all other beings will open you to the optimism that the universe has to offer. 6. The law of right action. The law of right action states that your words and actions affect the world around you and determine the quality of your experiences in life. How you behave and treat others will determine how others treat you. When you focus on the right action and are kind to others, always being sure to do to them what you would wish done to you, you will attract more positivity into your life. 7. The law of universal influence. It's easy to feel small and insignificant when staring up at the stars at night. But the truth is, every one of us is an integral part of the universe. We make an impact on the world with everything we think and do. Our energy vibrations become a part of the fabric of the universe. That's why it's so important for you to be aware of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, as well as signs from the universe, to demonstrate the impact of your actions and point you in the direction of your dreams. By doing so, you will be able to effectively control your energy and increase the positive impact you have on the world around you. Thanks for watching.